In this step-by-step kids drawings, we will draw a shooting star. Let's draw our star. Right, here is our star. And I know you're drawing your star. Let's draw some lines coming from our star. Another one. And we will draw a few smaller stars. You're watching step-by-step kids drawing, and I'm showing you step-by-step how to draw shooting star. Just follow along in this step-by-step kids drawing. Let's draw another star. We can probably draw a few more. Another one. Step-by-step drawing for kids. Now let's add some color to our shooting star. You can choose whatever color you want to use, or you can follow along and use the colors which I'm using, but you can always experiment with your color. Thank you for following along in this step-by-step drawing for kids, as I'm showing you how to draw a shooting star. Now we will add some more colors. That's a beautiful shooting star. We will color the other stars around it. step-by-step for kids drawing and coloring. And we are drawing our shooting star and we're adding some color. Looking beautiful. Another color. Here you have it, guys. I have shown you step by step how to draw a shooting star. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more step by step for kids drawing, coloring, and painting. New drawing for kids, video for kids are uploaded daily. Thank you so much for your support.